Bubble in the Forest, Thailand. A floating cafe perched above pristine waters. If you were Instagrammers or foodies, trust me, it's entirely worth it to go this many the Maldives. And the iconic overwater bungalows have many lusting for a trip to its paradisiacal beaches. Bubble in the Forest has created a little slice of the dream location for beach go-getters and day trippers with their mini Maldives cafe that is only 1 hour away from Bangkok. They recently opened this tiny getaway on 14th March 2021. A mini Maldives close to Bangkok. It's almost like a hidden beach that's tucked away in the middle of nowhere. No one would imagine Bubbles in the Forest is located in Nakhon Pathom, a province abundant with rice paddies. Their design is similar to the floating bungalows in the Maldives, where guests can walk along the elevated bridges across pristine waters to their respective villas. Bubbles in the Forest are ideal for a day trip to escape from the hustle and bustle of Bangkok, especially with summer and Songkran approaching. This relatively nearby cafe is perfect for those who can't take more than 1 day off. The cafe has a double-decker complex full of beanbags for many to sit down and unwind from the fast-paced life of Bangkok. One can also enjoy an impressive panoramic view of Nakhon Pathom's paddy fields and blue waters. If you've been wanting to chill on a hammock above some turquoise waters, this tiny excursion has a spot for you to pose for the gram and take it slow by this miniature Maldives. Ever wondered what you look like whilst you walk on the water pass in the Maldives? You can get tons of candid images of you in your summer break look. For those who have the desire to be a mystical noble in the garden for a day, they've got a bubble dome and a whimsical garden to fulfill their desires. New cafe outside of Bangkok, no doubt. This new cafe is beautiful and impressive for its chic design. You can take your family or friends for a lovely day out. They currently have a special zone called the Secret Forest for individuals who are able to tally up 150 baht for 88 USD on their receipt here.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all